Welcome back to our channel. We're back with a video about Cardano to $150. Breaking news, PayPal accepting ADA? ADA Cardano news today. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started. Cardano ADA seems to be the biggest winner of the week's big cap. This week, cryptocurrencies surpassed Binance Coin (BNB) to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Today, Cardano has become the first large-cap cryptocurrency to surpass record highs after a surge of more than 20% in the last 24 hours. According to Santiment, the performance has helped ADA become the top-trend cryptocurrency on the market. Meanwhile, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said in a recent interview that he expects ADA to reach $150 by the end of the year. This is a 60-fold increase in 4 months. The Cardano boss added that the future of Bitcoin, BTC, is invisible. Hoskinson said that he believes the benchmark cryptocurrencies have no innovative value and that the Bitcoin blockchain may not be very useful in the future, Ricefield. The bullish traction seen in ADA is due to the recently successful implementation of the Alonzo Purple testnet. Alonzo hard fork introduces smart contract compatibility to the Cardano blockchain. That said, analysts believe that the upgrade should significantly improve the usefulness of the blockchain. Analysts also expect it to be a major competition with Ethereum. Following yesterday's massive surge, ADA outperformed the recent ATH among several positive fundamental indicators. The third largest cryptocurrency is currently trading in the $2.5100 territory and is expected to post a bullish continuation over the weekend. ADA is in price discovery mode, leaving the bullish target infinite. That said, trading terms are approaching an overheating territory, which could give bears the room to trigger price adjustments. Nevertheless, excessive bullish bias should bridge the decline from gaining significant traction. Meanwhile, resistance levels are $2.6000, $2.7000, and $2.8000, and support levels are $2.4000, $2.3000, and $2.2000. And this is a stock-to-flow model. Became famous in the Plan B. This is the price of Bitcoin since its inception. But it is also a good proxy for the crypto market. Just as when Bitcoin recovers, when Bitcoin crashes, the crypto market recovers and the crypto market crashes. And this is one of the best predictors of price since its inception. And one of the important points to note is this blue line that runs through the center because this is the average price. So what happens with these huge run-ups is that they have to go far above and return to the average, so they crash below. And over the years, it's well above average. And what is the current stock of flow forecasts? Well, it shows the price of Bitcoin by the end of the year, so by Christmas time, that Bitcoin would be close to $100,000. This means that there are some big moves and the price of Bitcoin should at least double from here, so this is a double. Currently, because ADA is an altcoin, it usually outperforms upward performance, but it also outperforms downward performance. So I think it's fair to give up another multiple from Bitcoin. For example, if you triple it, you will be offered $6 and $9 ADA prices by the end of the year. Therefore, Flow and Stock predict that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 by the end of the year. This is very nice in itself and also means that there's a lot of movement. And being altcoin means that ADA is likely to continue to outperform Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin doubles, it means that ADA will at least maintain or exceed the pace. Therefore, this gives you a price target of $6 to $9. Now, you may have seen other Cardano price forecast articles that say ADA will be 50 times, 100 times, and even 150 times. Now that we need to understand the actual price of the asset, let me show you why these are just ridiculous valuations. In most cases, it's irrelevant. When it comes to asset valuation, it's all one indicator. Therefore, they look at Bitcoin and find that it's almost $50,000. Ethereum now looks very expensive, over $3,000. And they would look at the ADA and say, look, it's not even $3. Therefore, ADA is much easier to double than Ethereum. So they look at Dogecoin and find that it's only 30 cents, and they'll think that it would be very easy to make this 60 cents. But what you need to understand is that the actual price of an asset is almost irrelevant. All you need to see in this column, market capitalization. This tells you exactly what you need to do to double the price of your asset. Therefore, it will cost about $90 billion to double ADA. This is because as the market capitalization of an asset increases, it costs monumentally more money to move the price of the asset. Therefore, the price of ADA is relatively small, but it costs about $90 billion to double its price. For comparison, let's take a look at what's just below Solana. The price of Solana is much higher, now almost $100 to double the price, but only $30 billion. Therefore, the price can be misleading. It's market capitalization that needs attention, and this is also why people say that ADA will be 100 or 150 times higher from here. It's a completely ridiculous evaluation. These ratings are mathematically meaningless given that Cardano hasn't enabled smart contracts yet, as this is 5 to 10 times more than companies like Apple and Google. Therefore, when it comes to price forecasting, the actual price of an asset doesn't make much sense. It doesn't matter if the price is $100 or $100,000. Everything is market capitalization. And as market capitalization increases, economics and mathematics tell us that we will get diminishing returns. This is similar to the Dogecoin that is happening now, as it costs a huge amount of money to move the actual price. It should also be recognized that ADA has already increased by 1,500% so far this year, so the difficult truth is that the biggest benefits of ADA in 2021 are already happening. So, taking all of this into account, we'll have ADA priced at $6 to $9 by the end of the year. This is still up 100 to 200% from here. And think about it in just 4 months. It's still an incredible benefit. And keep in mind that this is also based on Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market has become huge bullish from here. Following the announcement last October, US PayPal users can now buy, sell, or retain several ciphers of their choice, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. In addition, you can track cryptocurrencies via the PayPal app. The only downside is that you can't transfer money from your company's digital wallet. In August, the company announced that UK users can now trade Ether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash on PayPal's website and mobile app. So far, PayPal has been silent about whether it intends to expand its service to other countries. Cardano climbs 10.09% in rally. Cardano traded at $2.3572 on Saturday's investing.com index by 15:38, 10:08 GMT, up to 10.09% that day. This was the largest daily percentage increase since Wednesday, September 22, 2021. The upward movement pushed Cardano's market capitalization to $7.4893.9 billion, or 3.93% of the cryptocurrency's market capitalization. At its highest, Cardano had a market capitalization of $94.800 billion. Cardano has been trading in the range of $2.2395 to $2.3799 in the last 24 hours. Over the last 7 days, Cardano has declined in value by 2.56%. At the time of writing, the amount of Cardano traded in the last 24 hours was $65499 billion, 5.18% of the total amount of all cryptocurrencies. It is traded in the range of $1.9132 to $2.3959 in the last 7 days. At current prices, Cardano is down 23.94% from the record high of $3.10 set on Thursday, September 2, 2021. Other places for cryptocurrency transactions. Bitcoin was last at $42,863.8 on the investing.com index, up 1.15% that day. Ethereum was trading at $2,961.78 on the investing.com index, up 3.39%. Bitcoin's market capitalization was finally $80.432.5 billion, or 42.16% of the cryptocurrency's market capitalization, while Ethereum's market capitalization totaled $34.594 billion, or 18.14% of the cryptocurrency's market capitalization. As the market began to weaken during the press, altcoin also began to draw southward movements on the charts. Cardano fell 4%, but prices could record an increase as the indicators were somewhat bullish. Uniswap crashed significantly by 10.9% while trading near its first low in months. Finally, the sell of NEO reduced NEO by 8.2%. This can also lead to altcoin trading within undervalued zones. Cardano fell 4% on the chart and was trading at $2.19 at the time of the press. The ADA was just below the support line at $2.20, with the next immediate lowest price for coins at $1.97 and then $1.83. The latter marked a few weeks low on altcoin, however, that parameter remained somewhat bullish. Awesome Oscillator flashes a green traffic light bar. Chalk and money flow remained above that half line due to positive capital inflows. MACD also flashed the green histogram. On the 4-hour chart, the price of momentum seemed to be in line with the buyer as the price of ADA exceeded 20 SMA. Uniswap has plummeted 10.9% in the last 24 hours and was priced at $19.06. Immediate support for altcoin was $18.89. At the 4-hour 20 SMA, the price of Uni was below that. This meant that price momentum began to tilt towards market sellers. Awesome Oscillator flashes a red signal bar. MACD underwent a bearish crossover and drew a red histogram. Finally, the relative strength index remains above the oversold zone as it struggled not to fall into the oversold zone. If buying pressure regains, prices can also have the positive consequences. In that case, Uniswap's immediate resistance would be $21.93 and then $25.72. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section.